So we've got a few questions that we can ask. We can ask who with ko wai. Ko wai tērā, who was that? We can ask what. He aha tērā, what is that? The next kind of question is where, and we ask that using kei hea. Kei hea koe, where are you? And if you happen to be at the supermarket, te hokomaha, you could answer kei te hokomaha aho, I am at the supermarket. Now, when I first encountered this exact sentence, I was very, very annoyed. What? I exclaimed. Now kei te means where I am. That is stupid, that's what I said. And the reason I thought it was stupid, because if I'm talking, I say kei te kōrero aho, and if I'm sick, I say kei te mā wiwi aho, and if I'm running, I say kei te oma aho. So how on earth, I thought, does kei te hokomaha aho mean I am at the supermarket? Doesn't it mean I am a supermarket? Well, no, that would be he hokomaha aho, which is a different thing. So doesn't it mean I am supermarketing? And the answer is yes, exactly. So you've got to bear with me, it's a bit tricky. Kei is a locative, which means it describes the location of something, where something is. Now, in the 1960s, Professor Biggs wrote this very important book called Let's Learn Māori, very good idea, and he lists the tense markers in te reo, ka, kua, e ana and e, but he didn't include kei te. And that's because kei te is actually a locative. So, if I say kei te kōrero aho, even though we would translate this as I am talking, actually that's not what it means. What it actually means is I am located at the talking, because kei te says where you are. And it shows that things in Māori grammar aren't necessarily in an exact match with things in English, yeah? And so, if someone says kei te kai aho, we could actually translate that as either I am eating or I am located at the eating. And if someone said kei te hokomaha aho, we could translate this as I am located at the supermarket, or I am supermarketing